Good evening, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. Yeah, we actually had a very great week. The market was recovering left and right, and you can just go update yourself because now we have a clue that we're gonna have a rate cut coming actually this September. Go check this. Obviously, it will help you. It will help you to understand the market. But this is the last week of August. So what do we have? Monday we don't really have any much. So we're going to have a consumer confident on Tuesday. On Wednesday we have GDP, and on Friday, which is going to be the most important one, core PCE, quite similar to CPI. And yeah, it actually moves very nice, you see. So we will be just checking that, but the overall performance for this week, we were actually making some profits, very nice, because the dollar, it was losing some momentum, and it gave us a chance to actually to look for those buys. Guys, for those who did not really subscribe, please smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You're helping the channel to grow, and that motivates me to keep making the videos. So please, if you did not really subscribe yet, smash that subscribe. So today I will be starting from, and I forgot that we have this special, that actually ends tonight. So let's say midnight, or we can say tomorrow. If maybe you just saw this now, you can just pause there, check there, because from tomorrow, or let's say from Tuesday, these prices are going back to normal. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So we have our chart there. This is a daily time frame on USDJPY. We can see that the dollar lost some momentum for quite some time now. You can see that the market lost something. You can see that we're coming from this highest level and going down, but it's not really just down. We have an area that we can call a support zone. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see the market reversing from this level, but it's possible because the dollar now is quite weaker. We know that they're gonna cut the rates. We might see the market breaking out of that support area, and we might start to see some serious sell. Yes, we're expecting to see a nice sell, and when I say a nice sell, I mean a sell where the market will be giving us some lower highs, lower lows, not this meltdown, because then sometimes once you get in, once you get out, it's going to be difficult for you to get in again, because the structure there is not really that nice, you see. So yes, we're expecting to see a breakout. This is a very nice structure, but we have to wait for the market if maybe it's going to break out or not, because there is a possibility that the market might not really break, you see. So now let's go on dollar index. So what's really happening on dollar index? So this is a daily time frame structure. I think you can start to see that what's really happening here. The market went higher like 2022, but the market started to consolidate around this level, because it's where we were starting to talk about inflation, cutting the rates, increasing the rates and stuff. So now it seems like we will start to see a reversal. Do you see this type of a bigger move there? It might happen or with the opposite a move. We might start to see the market going even lower. That's what we see. So let's go closer. You can see that the market was going a little bit higher. Then we had a proper breakout. So this breakout shows us that, you know what, the market is no longer on that support area. We had a proper support there. The market also broke out. So which means we'll see a continuation of the dollar losing that momentum. And that is good, because we can buy other pairs. But guys, just because they said they're going to cut the rates, it's not like the market will just melt down like that. No. Even the time when they were talking about increasing the rates, the market did not really just go straight up. The market was just going down, up, down, up, down. You see, we had some levels where the market was selling. Even now, we will have some areas where the market recovers, go down, recovers, go down. So if maybe you're just expecting to see some meltdown, or maybe the market flying straight to the moon, no, that is not going to happen. The market will still move smooth. Yes, somehow, yes, the market will try to move aggressively, because we already know. But just because we already know, that means we no longer have any sort of a surprise. So which means whoever who's gonna buy or whoever who's gonna sell, everything is just going to be normal, you see. But with this type of a move, I really appreciate this. I like this. I like this because the dollar is losing some momentum. That shows us that inflation, finally, inflation is going down. Prices are going lower. And that's good. You see, that's very good. So now we are on Gbpusd. Once you see this, you can see that we smashed that because that is the signal that we sent. We had a buy pending order. TP was not really that far and the market smashed that. So, but beside that, you can see that the overall structure, it was a very proper, it's still a proper uptrend structure. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside until maybe the market will bounce back and touch this support again before going higher. But the overall structure is still that bullish move. So at the moment, we can't do much. We're just waiting for the market to do its thing, most likely to reverse. We know that even though we are on a bullish move, it's not like the market will move like this. Somewhere the market will give us a resistant reversal before we see a nice push to the upside. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold also enjoying this news of rates cuts, but not really that much. You can see that the overall structure, it is still showing us that, you know what, the market is still actually on that nice uptrend. And I think this one can be clear if maybe we go on a 4 hours time frame. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. If we go on a 4 hours time frame, you will see that the structure was quite straightforward. So we're just continuing with whatever that we had there. So you can see that above this area, we had a nice resistance. But if we don't really want to use that also, we can use this support or diagonal support. The market was moving like that. So yes, we did have a nice buy pending order there. The market did touch, or we can say it reached our TP. I did not really jump in here because I was focusing on Nasdaq. And yeah, you can just see that. I think if I did scalp some, I took some few trades, but not really, I did not really take the whole thing because my focus is actually on Nasdaq. But the overall move shows us that the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. On top there, we can see that we have a proper resistance. Maybe the market will touch this, reverse again, or maybe the market will end up breaking out. But this is a new week, which means most likely on Monday, the market might just play games for that reversal. Yes, even though things are good, it doesn't really mean the market won't respect the structures. The market will still respect our structures, you see. So very bullish, but I think from tomorrow we'll just have to wait for some few reversals or some few breakouts. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? We can easily see that we are coming from a very nice bullish move, still very bullish move, sorry. Because this was, I think maybe I should show you this on the daily time frame so that you see properly. So you can see that the overall structure, we are still continuing to go even higher. On top here, maybe you can see that we had a sort of a resistance. And I thought maybe the market was going to play around because, yeah, that was also possible, even though we were on this nice bullish move, even though we did smash US30, guys. But the move there was not really enough. The move was not really that enough, but it's better than nothing. We had a nice breakout. Obviously, the market was just consolidating around this level. And after that, let me just show you that on 4 hours time frame. So after that, we saw a nice, you can see here, the market was consolidating after this breakout. So the market and then tried to reverse aggressively. Then I had no choice but to send again our pending order. So you can still see that I'm still expecting to see the market reaching this level. I think I had a pending order on this area. I no longer remember. I think I changed this the time I had some mentorship, but I think we had it around this level. But in the group, I hope you can see that. So yeah, I think the market here where we are, there's nothing much that we can do because we are still in that profit. So, but we have to pay attention to this level. I think 41,000 there. The market might 41,400. I think it's where we might have a serious resistance before we get the market reversal, or maybe the market might end up breaking out, because that's what the market mostly the market will end up respecting this level, even though it might not respect it forever, or maybe respecting it to reverse. It might respect it for maybe a few hours before we get a proper breakout, if indeed we will be going or continuing with that bullish move. But this move, I think it was just trying to cancel what we had as an aggressive sell-off. You see, we had this sell-off. Now we had this aggressive bullish move. I think after this, the market might start to move very nice, quite slower, but at the end of the day, still going higher. So that's what I see on US30. Yes, I'm still very, 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 very bullish. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to our VIP signals. That special ends actually today, but I will still give you up to tomorrow, so that if you saw this now, then you can easily join our team. So on Nasdaq 100, yes, the market is still playing games with us here, but yes, we were in a very nice profit because we had a nice buy pending order. So the overall structure here, you can see that the market was actually coming from this nice downtrend structure. Now we are going higher. Sorry, I think I forgot to change that. So yeah, on Nasdaq 100, you can easily see that yes, the overall structure here, it was going down, going down, going down. So now we had this nice breakout structure, which shows us that, you know what, and the market is no longer on this downtrend. So we expecting to see the market going even higher. And you can see that, yeah, we did have some very nice trades along the way. And it seems like the market will still continue, even though the news were positive. Don't just expect the market to fly to whatever. We're still going to have some reversals. If you get at the wrong time, most likely you're going to lose. And still the market continues with your with the direction that you thought maybe the market was going to go with. I think just try to understand support and resistance at the trends lines and stuff. I think that can also help you. So I think with the market will end up continuing to go higher. But at the moment, we have our resistance. We have a support there. The market has been playing around. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of that buy this week. Maybe around Tuesday, Wednesday there. I think the market will end up going even higher. That's what I'm expecting. But at the moment, I think I think tomorrow it will be a Monday, a very slow Monday, if maybe the market will just play around. So what's next on S&P 500? S&P 500 shows us that yes, we are actually on some very nice trades there. The market has been actually going even higher. We had a proper structure that the market broke out. You can see we had this aggressive sell, and this was a possible area that the market might respect. And we see that the market broke out. Then we had some few trades which made us something there, and the other one was there also. You can see there by yourself. So we still expect to see the market trying to go even higher, because every market at the moment we expect the rate cuts, and actually that is good for the market. That is very good for the market. Or we can just say the market will actually welcome that, right? We welcome that as traders because we want to have this unnecessary sells in the market. So we need normal market. We need the market which is actually going higher, even though when we sell here and there, but we have to trade in a market where there is balanced interest rates, not very high, not very low. So where we can just take our decisions, and at the end of the day, our technical analysis is going to work very well. But when we have this recession thing, everything is just hot, so the market always panics. When it sells aggressively. When it buys, it buys aggressively. So that is not really a good thing. But since now they are going to cut the rates, I think the likes of Nasdaq, S&P 500, they will actually fly. Especially, remember, when we talk about Nasdaq, we are going to talk about AI, and it's booming. So which means slowly we will see Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq this year is going to break some records, but we'll just have to wait and see. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening? We can see that I did talk about this level. Last week that, you know what, I'm expecting the market to touch this level and reverse. Guess what? It happened, and we smashed the market there. I sent this pending order in our team, in the group. So yeah, obviously everyone's met that. Our TP, it's actually, our ratio is 1:2. risk ratio, like so. So which means this is our stop loss, this is going to be our take profit, so whatever. So here is going to be like 50-50 plus this one. So I hope you understand that. So this is way much better than maybe placing it higher like that. So this is easier for the market to touch, and that is actually good. So we did that and the market touched that. So I'm expecting to see a nice reversal going even higher. So if you know, you know, but at the moment we can't just jump on the market. We will wait for a smaller structure or maybe a sort of a resistance or nice reversal there. Then we can continue looking for those buy positions. But at the moment, it's still a weekend. Let's wait for the market to do its thing. Then from there, we will see what we can do. I hope this makes sense. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.